Yet another beautiful day for scrapping. Alright. Today, guys, I'm scrapping this. This is a TV antenna thing. It probably still works, but it sat out in the snow for a long time, and it's been in here in my leaky garage for a long time. And plus, I need one of these antennas for a project I'm doing. These are brass, as we all know. They're like nickel-plated, zinc-plated brass. So, let's get it going. I'm seeing gold-plated screws and everything. Let me see if I can get these out. We'll save these. I have a little butter tub inside full of this stuff. Always good. Sells on eBay, really nice too, gold-plated stuff. Let's see if I can get these out. Are these? Ah, they're not even worth saving. I'll save them anyways. And that's all steel. Gold-plated steel doesn't sell as good as gold-plated brass. You know what? I'm just going to call this copper bearing because there's copper in it. It's got some weight to it. I'll put the screws in my gold tub. And what do we got for screws here? Does it all just snap together? Oh, they hide them under the suction cup. Is there more? Ah, there you are. I found you. Can't hide from me. Oh, where'd they put the last one? That's weird. Huh. Heavy. See the rust? I'm gonna check it with a magnet. That's cast iron right there. Oh, now it doesn't weigh anything. Got some screws. Screws are always good. Need a screw. Plastic. And these are also, that's not gold plated, that's brass. That's just plain brass. Where's my clippy snippers? So I got some brass for the brass bucket. And another screw. Ha! That works. How does this come apart now? I don't want to break my antennas. I need those. Well, I guess I gotta use my screwdriver. What do we got? What is that? Ooh, copper! Some more screws. Man, there we go. Now, is that really a copper screw, or is it just copper clad steel? Nope, that's copper clad steel. So I'll just throw that in my copper bearing bucket. Oh, and there's my antenna. Good. Good. So I got my antennas I'm going to save. These are brass. You can just throw these in a brass bucket. But I'm saving these for a project. And I bet this is just aluminum. This little spider web thing. It bends so easy. I'm sure it's just aluminum. Oh, I got some more brass. Alright, let's gather it all up. I'll leave that right on the wire. Ah, it fell off. Oh well. So I got some copper clad screws I'm going to throw in my copper bearing bucket. So I got copper bearing, I got some old sheet aluminum, and some number 2 insulated in my number 2 bucket. And I got, that's gold right there. Gold plated. I have a butter tub in the house full of that stuff. And some brass. Cast iron. So, just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you have to do is find it and sort it and hoard it. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.